really thin coat. What is in my brush? Just doing it really thin. And we're doing it repeat to all of them. The structure is really nice, feels good. But when you do fill, you shouldn't be like doing whole nails, like 5 them down and then do everything or change the color. If the client's doing, if you're doing a color acrylics, for instance, and the clients come in for a fill and they want to change the colors, it's not considered as a fill anymore. It's become a new set. And but it really depends on your salons. I think your salon rules and your salon services, every salon is like really different. So it's really important. One thing I would like to share with when you do fill-in for clients, well, like fill-in or new set is like clean up the cuticle is really important parts, because like you prep before you play your powders, and then you clean after you finish. Then that will really, first of all, save you a lot of time when the clients come back for fill, because it will never have issue or lifting or anything at all. And you and your clients can be sit back and ensure that it's not going to have any issue, problems, greeny, mold, anything at all. Okay, so I'm going to clear for 15 seconds. Underneath is just so back on the clear nails. I'm going to put the clear top coat on so it looks really transparent. You can see my nails growing out. Okay, 15 seconds. In the meantime, enjoy the nails. It's really like simple. I haven't done the nails like this for myself. I usually like a lot of bling. Is that 15 seconds already? Santelas, you want to see the bottle? What is the bottle of the gel? I'm gonna move into the chamfer foil, because I'm gonna do all chamfer foils on my nails. Let's do this one first. And I am using a premium's iHo chamfer foils. I really like it because it's like 30 seconds here. Make sure I optimize all of them, because sometimes under camera I don't see like all the edges and I miss that. I'm gonna do one at a time because $30 seconds. Maybe I should do 4 of them. No, I'll do this one first, and then I will do 4 of them. 30 seconds. This one is for base coat for Chantella. You can keep it for 10 to 15 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay. So I am going to have this, the foil I'm using it for all my nails earlier, so I'm gonna using this. I'm gonna choose to have this part. Just want to make sure I'm not missing it. All right, lay this one right there. Do I? Oh, it stay on really good, everyone. This doesn't go anywhere. Somehow I miss hole in here, but I'm not worried about it because I want to put some crystals on. Looking good. Let's move on to the next 4. Again, I am going to make sure I covers everything. Because sometimes it's like I don't see on the side and I miss it. It's only chamfer where you apply your chamfer foil gels. I'm going to do 4 of them here at the same time. Let's do 2 first. How about that? So then it won't be. Okay, here for 30 seconds. And then the same thing. I'm gonna key in the same slot. This time we're gonna do this chamfer foil, but next time we're gonna do that one of the really cool stickers that I have. Make sure it's here. So I'm gonna pick yeah, hold on. I'm gonna do it right here, but then I don't see the up. It's meant to be. Oh no. Oh, good. That's why I do one at a time, because then it stick on it and say, oh no. Because this one is really freaking stay on, and it sticks really well. If you have like troubleshooting with like chamfer foil and chamfer to their nails or the clients, this is the guys that you want to try. Premium's eye-hold chamfer foil is on go anywhere but in your nails. See, like I said, ooh. Only the crease that I have. Interesting to do it for your own nails. If you get that missing part of it, you can lay it back up and do it. I can't even see it from here. Let me see, I can lay it back up in here, but it's not a big deal at all because I want to do some crystals on it. I'm curious. I found it. Okay, it's good enough because now it's moved to, okay, before that I'm gonna cut this because it keeps hanging off there and it's gonna stick on my other nails. the shiny part on the top, and then the matte is on right there. It's really cool though, because sorry, Instagram. Instagram, I will see you right back. I'm gonna get, if you can't get like your nails, then I'll get a piece of papers and then just rub it. Really good. Ta-da! Another one. Hello, Instagram. Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. And then this nails, I am going to using whole nails as well. I'm gonna apply it all entire nails. And I will do again, well, just in case you're just tuning in, I'm using a Premium's Eye Hole Chamfer Foil. And this nail I am going to do just half of the nails, or maybe 2/3 of the nails, however you want to call that. It's more than half, I believe. All right, here for 30 seconds, everyone. And then we want to achieve this look. Some bars, some crystals, and just simple. I'm excited. I have a light pink. You get light pink right there. Right, yep. That's one right there. Let me see. Great. Again, I'm gonna using this to do half of my nails. Doesn't matter in this point, like it doesn't matter. I just want to get some cute image in there. That's really nice. Look at that, it just come right off. And next one, wanna like it again for this. Okay. Yeah, but too far away, can't even see anything. Hopefully Facebook and Instagram can see it. Let me know if you can't see it, okay? And just give it a good rub. Oh, this one has come right off. Maya. Great. So if you want to leave it alone like that, it looks beautiful. But I did a little bit shimmery. Again, I'm using this. Hey Brad, how are you? And I'm using a little like shimmery colors. Just really transparent shimmery, and I'm gonna put it on pink. But it doesn't look like really pink. But if you don't want it, you can leave it alone. Looks beautiful as well.